Normally when I go to Prague, I basically don't stay in the same hotel twice. I come here often, so why. Also won't stay in the same district. I will change from district to district. I've come to the Smichkov district, which is in Prague 5, and I decided to stay on a boat hotel, or a boatel as they call it, Boatel Vodnik. A Vodnik is a mythical creature found in many Slavic folklore stories, and there's a few Vodniks in here, I can tell you. Yeah, we do have stunning views across the river. Some of the spires in the distance. I suppose we're about, I would say, about 3.5 kilometers from Charles Bridge. The bridge you see in front of me there is that's a metro bridge. So we do have spectacular views, and there is the Vyšehrad. Oh, I have to master my Slavic pronunciation, but I'll get there. Wonderful marinas right along the river here as well. So what I'm going to do is spend the day in the many city parks around Prague. I paid the same amount of money for 3 nights here as I did for 3 nights in a substandard hostel in Zadar. So there's food for thought. So, right, let's get my backside over to the Vyšehrad, and I'll start off my tour of the beautiful parks of Prague. So to get up to Vyšehrad Park, I have to climb a few steps, which is fine. They say that after a good walk you're rewarded, so a good exercise in the morning as well. Plenty of steps. Quite a lot more steps here. Bit of a breathing point, or if you like, a viewing point. Petrin Hill in the distance. We may get up there. The cable car, or the funicular, which forms part of the public transport here, up the Petrin Hill, is closed until sometime next year. Next spring, I think, spring 26, it reopens. So behind me now you see the Basilica to St. Peter and St. Paul, which is the big church up here. Very Gothic. Say, Prague is another city where you'll see many different forms of architecture, which gives you a clue basically of the history. But yeah, the Basilica to St. Peter and St. Paul. Across here we also have the Vyšehrad Cemetery, which is a resting place for many Czech legends, Czech leaders. So behind me, hopefully you can see the walls, some of the walls that make up the Vyšehrad fortress. They stretch right round the city side. around here, and then end up at the front of the Vltava River. So this would have been part of the fortress dating back to the 10th century. Okay, I just seen a sign there for bistro cafe. Is it time for a coffee just yet? You know, I'm gonna wait for a while, I think, actually. Too many things to do.